Maninder Singh, who was arrested by the Delhi Police's special cell last night. In the video, Maninder can actually be seen as swinging swords inside the Red Fort ahead of hoisting of another flag. And he is said to be the most wanted in the Red Fort violence case. The accused Maninder Singh Moni, who has been nabbed by the Delhi Police's special cell and is said to be from the Pitampura area. Going across to Madhurima there for a quick live update. Well, Madhurima, what more do we know of this individual? Because it is being said that he was radicalized in a way of constantly watching different Facebook videos there. But he's also been said as an expert in using swords there. He had certain training also to use swords. What more can you tell us on this individual?
Well, the particular individual, Maninder Singh, which has been arrested by the Delhi police on Republic Day violence, let me tell you, he's a resident of Swaroop Nagar and 2 swords have been seized from his residence. Let me tell you also that he used to, the Swaroop Nagar area is very near to Singhu border. It's just a couple of kilometers. And in his statement, which we have come to know to the police, he has said that he used to visit the Singhu border, and after being all, affected and activated by the kind of speeches which used to be, delivered on the stage at the Singhu border, he got all, charged up, and he even went on to, I would say that he even went on to influence other people living with him, his friends of his, and following which on the Republic Day parade, when this particular incident took place, he went on to participate in the violence.
He's said to be visiting the areas of protest also since the last 2 months there, and right after this arrest that has been made by the Delhi Police's special cell from Pitampura, Maninder Singh Moni is the 5th accused who has been arrested by the police. Thanks very much, Madhurima. Let's move on to national news.